Do you want to comment on the Instagram story? You can add comments on Instagram stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to comment on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Before starting, I recommend you update the Instagram app to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. To comment on an Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, you'll see a series of circular profile pictures at the top of your newsfeed, representing stories posted by people you follow. Now, find and tap on the profile picture of the person whose story you want to comment on. While viewing the story, you'll see a comment icon at the bottom left of the screen. In some cases, you may see an Add a Comment box instead. Please note that the comment option may not be available to everyone. This feature might not be enabled for your account, or the story creator may have disabled comments for their stories. If the option is available, tap on it to type your comment. You can use text or emojis in your comments. After typing your message, tap the send icon next to the text box. Your comment will now be added to the person's story. Once added, your comment will be visible to everyone who views that story.